welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm sure you guys have seen that Stuart Weitzman released this new collection with different shades of nude. You have blushes, browns, pinks, tans, all of that. So I decided to purchase a pair, and I really like Stuart Weitzman because they go up to a 12 and their shoes are true to size, so that is definitely a plus size. But for my Cinderella Diaries series, I just wanted to show you guys a pair that I recently got, and it is a Dusty Rose. So I haven't opened it yet. You guys are going to be the first to see this shoe in its flesh. So here is the box, and I'm gonna open it. And I believe there was a point in time that their boxes used to be purple, but hey, blue is fine. So here you go. And this is the Leah in the Desert Rose Suede, and I ordered 11.5. But their 11s typically are fine, but I've just noticed with heels, if I have the opportunity to size up, even if it's half a size, I will do it. So let me show you guys. So we have the dust bag, travel bag for the shoe, and we have a perfect Dusty Rose heel, and this is the 95 milliliter, 95, yeah, 95, bam. I was considering getting the 105, I believe they have 105, but I was just like, you know what, I want to be comfortable, and I have a pair of Christians that are 105, I believe, and I'm considering getting rid of them because they're not like, they're like the shoe that you get out the car and sit, like you're not walking around the venue. So here is the Dusty Rose in a size 11.5, and I'm also considering getting the brown as well, because I feel like that's a really nice nude, but this is such a nice pink. I'm gonna put it on now. So guys, I already have the first shoe on. My toes are not done, so I'm not gonna show it, but here you go. I'm not gonna show you guys my toes because they're not done. But here, I just want to show you guys me putting the shoe on. So as you can see, actually let me put it this way. So yeah, my foot isn't in it yet, but as you can see, like there is a lot of space already. So once you just open up the sides, your foot, really cozy and comfy. I'm actually happy I went up to a size 11.5. Pretty much it. Just wanted to do a little unboxing, and so far I'm wearing these right now. They're very comfortable, not pinching the toe. There's more than enough room, and I'm excited to so I feel like if the 95s are this cozy, the 105 will definitely be comfortable. Video, and let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment in the description box down below, and I will see you on the next episode of Cinderella Diaries.